welcome back to our channel. We're gonna be doing a slime video today.
Yeah.
Here's hers.
We can do
And there's hers.
I can make a penguin house.
A penguin house.
Yeah,
Can you get my
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you guys
Gonna pull it out.
Okay, I'm just gonna pull it out. Build a penguin house. Just like penguin house.
Penguin house. Penguin house. Penguin house.
Okay. Okay, so
Oh God.
mine is.
Mine
Whoa.
out. Oh my. Smells super good. You want me to help you, Ella? Yeah.
Here's mine.
Whoa!
Kelly got hers out.
I'm trying to get Bella. I'm helping Bella get hers out.
Smells like grape.
She got hers out. Bella, say like and subscribe.
Like it to subscribe.
She's 3, so you better do it.
Yeah, you better do it.
She's writing. She's like, yeah, you better do it.
Yeah, she's doing good.
Look at my slime. I'll show them my slime.
Oh my God, I got purple in mine.
Uh-uh.
Purple in mine.
How? You didn't even touch my slime.
Look, I did.
You did?
Do you like your slime, Bella?
It's so it's butter
Oh,
clouds. It's oddly satisfying.
Yeah, I know.
We got this for Christmas.
Why don't we take her band-aid off?
My grapes.
Oh, you took her band-aid off?
Yeah, because it got slime all over it.
Guys,
slime all
so
over
say your thing. So mine is purple and it's grape.
Mine is banana, and it's
yellow.
And it's yellow.
Mine is pink and it's pink cotton candy. And mine is banana.
Banana.
Haley doesn't really like banana, but she loves the smell.
It's not the best. Wait.
And Bella likes bananas. I like
Feliz
banana.
Navidad. Poveda tu felicidad. Renegade.
You got that TikTok mashup stuck in your head. We did yesterday.
Okay, whatever. We did like thousands of videos yesterday. We couldn't wait, so.
Yeah, that was our first day doing videos.
Only sometimes on Wednesdays we will be posting videos. But not all the time.
I want the back, guys.
Because usually we're not.
But we already did that.
Together.
Oh, just like hit that subscribe button.
Okay, so what's our plan? So like Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, since we're all here, and sometimes Wednesdays.
And all the time on the weekends.
Okay.
We're gonna post. Don't mind that. It does that a lot.
It does that. Oh my gosh.
This is so fun.
We might be doing a morning routine.
Maybe tomorrow. Actually, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow.
Let's try today. You know why? Because we're still in our pajamas.
Yeah, we're still in our pajamas. We haven't even brushed our teeth or anything.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a morning routine. It's basically the same as our night routine.
Yeah.
Yeah, except
But
we
it's
never
just
do-
doing everything backwards.
Yeah, but we're not getting
Okay,
into our
flatten your
pajamas. We're
slimes
getting
out
into
and
our
then
clothes.
put 2 holes together.
Okay, I'm gonna
Like
show
this.
Aaliyah's.
Do you want me to help you? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm just trying to murder my slime. It's not even making me.
You know, gotta put yours in the middle so it doesn't fall off the edge of the mat.
Okay.
In the middle. Push it down. Daddy, can you put my band-aid away from my alley?
Say hi.
Gone. My alley is gone.
That's our dad. Dad.
He's the one that made our channel.
Oh, it's not our channel. Kind of.
Well, his channel. Okay, you're all done.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bella already did hers.
Bella. Yeah. Oh, look, my dad's eating a banana. Dad, are you eating a banana?
Yeah, I am.
Just like my banana slime and Bella's banana slime.
I tried that and it turned out so bad.
Look. Once was a man with no arms.
Holy
Who got chased by bees. So he jumped into the lake.
Oh, Bella wants a banana now.
What you're supposed to do is flatten out your slime and do this. And then pull it over.
Banana,
Yeah, but you haven't
banana,
even done it.
banana,
Banana.
banana,
Banana.
banana,
Meatball.
banana.
Banana, meatball.
Stop.
Banana, meatball. Can I have a banana? Yeah. And look how hard it is. Haley, flatten it out, put holes in it with your 2 fingers, and then roll it up like a telescope.
They're gonna watch McKinley for a second.
Oh.
While you're doing your steps that I already did, like a burrito.
Look how big this is.
I'm just gonna eat a banana while all of them do their steps that I told them to do. You flatten it out, put 2 holes with your 2 fingers, and then you roll it up like a telescope.
Here, you want me to hold it?
Banana, banana, banana.
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 Let's see
banana,
Haley do.
Banana. Meatball, meatball, meatball.
Wow. You guys are killing Fred and Gerald.
Fred and Gerald.
Yeah, those are the slimes.
Oh, look at that butter.
Buddy, can I have milk to drink, Daddy, please?
Can I have ice water to drink?
Daddy, can I have ice?
Get me a milkshake. Banana, banana.
Rachel wanted a milkshake earlier.
Yeah, she did.
She called us.
She's like, I want a milkshake. Get me a milkshake.
If you don't know who that is, it's her mom. His wife.
It's my mom.
It's her stepmom.
Oh.
I want ice, buddy.
Me too.
Dad, look.
Yeah.
It's like a pancake.
It's like a pancake. You can barely see hers. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey. I'm trying to roll mine up. How are you doing that? Here, you want to hold it?
Can I do your steps
Here, you
for
can
you?
hold it.
I'm going to make a big wiggly worm.
Oh my God, this looks like, what did you eat? I ate 3 watermelons. Remember that worm guy?
I was sitting on the bench, girl, slapping on my
I
Left
ate 3
knee.
watermelons.
and I asked Herman what happened.
And I said, I ate 5,000 bananas.
I was sitting on the fence, go slapping on my left knee, chewing up,
On my bubble gum.
chomp, chomp, chomp.
Playing with my
I ate 3,000 bananas.
And watching the birds fly by. Along came Herman along, and he was this big.
And he was a banana big.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I was like, yeah.
Oh my God. Haley, are you doing the steps that I told you to do?
Flatten it out like a banana.
Yeah, and then poke holes in it with your 2 fingers. Your middle finger and your pointer finger. Look at mine!
Look at Bella's.
Oh, that's stretchy. And then you roll it up like a burrito. You haven't even done 1 step.
I did, but then I made it into a piece.
Look at my That's good. No, just put it.
Look at Bella.
No, poke.
No, look at Bella's. Look at Bella's.
That's a fat burrito.
Look at my poop.
It's gone.
What did you do?
Look at.
What did you do to your burrito?
Look. How did you do that? No! Oh, I'm gonna smash your poop. I smashed your poop.
I fixed my poop. Whose poop is
Banana?
down below if your poop is this color?
If it's banana color, pink color, and banana color. But just like,
Mostly it would be yellow.
yeah. I'm not gonna go take a drink.
Mostly it would be liquidy. Your pee. Hey, look at my ball. You think it's funny? Oh, you think it's funny?
Hello.
Look at my poop.
Let's cover my hand up.
And then we can make another poop.
Yeah.
Who wants more banana?
Me.
I'll take a
No.
bite.
No.
I just want to bite.
Guys, I really don't like bananas. I thought you didn't like bananas.
Oh, it's my water. No.
Hey, do you think we should do part 2 after this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That'd be a good idea.
Don't let me hold the camera.
The other time she clicked the
other
button.
2 times.
She clicked the button that
Guess where I can fit? Even part 1, remember?
In our
both of them,
In that
you
drawer.
and you can fit in the cabinet. Bella can definitely fit in the cabinet,
Yeah.
but the only one who
My
can't
dad told
is
her to
me.
hide in there, but she didn't. She didn't want to. My dad was like, hide in there, and then she was about to get in there, and she was like,
Nope.
nope. And then she had it under the desk.
When?
And then
Haley spot.
when you asked look at it. And then she ran in the. I was hiding behind the door in the bathroom, and then Bella ran in our room, and I said, "What are you doing, Bella?" And she said, "I'm hiding under the covers." I said, "I thought you were hiding in the office." And she said, "No, hiding under the blanket."
Bella, did you say that? Uh-huh. Don't drop it on the table.
Guys, roll it big.
Okay.
Okay, you
Now
hold
I
the
gotta
camera.
follow McKinley's steps.
Let me hold it.
No,
Yeah,
mine.
you gotta do it.
That's mine.
No, it's not. It's mine.
Mine.
Not yours. Okay, follow the steps. It's
Oh
really
yeah, you got to
You just gotta roll
flatten it out first.
Yeah.
Look, guys, gotta flatten it out
That's
first.
not firm.
We go,
I did not do that. I did not do that.
And you gotta go choo.
And then you roll.
That's a burrito. I'm talking about a wiggly worm.
How'd you do that? Watching the birds fly by. How'd you make that?
Here.
Can you do it for me?
You hold it.
Just gonna do it for me.
I can shape. No one else in this room can.
Yes, I can.
I mean, it's not as big as hers, but both Bella's doing kind of good, aren't you, Bella? She's too distracted about her slime. She's like, nope.
See, you just have to go one step from another. Yours is pretty thin and mine's pretty thick.
And 2, and baby, and daddy, and mama, penguin.
Penguin.
If penguins come to our house, I'm gonna put them in this house.
If penguins come to our house, I'm gonna put them in this house.
Yeah, her house.
No, that one. No, mine's long.
Look how long mine is.
Woo.
Okay, here's your worm.
Watching the birds fly by.
McKinley.
Oh, wow. Worm.
Do up, do
But
up,
you-
do.
but
look,
you-
guys, look. Hi, so long. Look at mine.
Guys, do you know what I'm doing with mine?
What?
Making it into a poop.
Poop. Okay, guys, we need to make it into a poop. Okay.
I'll make mine last.
Wee.
Oh, looks pretty good.
Poop.
Someone hold it.
Get a poop.
I will. No. That sucks. That sucks.
Okay, time to make mine into a poop after I roll it a little more.
Here's my poop. Has her poop.
Yeah.
Here's Bella's penguin house that she will put penguins in if they come to our house. And there's her poop.
Look what Bella said. Look my poop. It's flat. It's pancake now.
I'm gonna
Oh,
smash,
I want to try that.
smash your poop. Smash it.
Okay, just like this.
I'm a penguin.
That's such a good, like, trampoline. This looks like a trampoline.
Oh, it kind of does.
But you gotta make this.
Bella's like, I want my penguin house to be a trampoline. Watching the birds fly by.
Okay, everybody follow my steps now. You have to flatten your slime out.
No.
Yeah, I think we're gonna end the video here, and we're gonna do a part 2 soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
The next time we see you, it'll probably do the part 2 hide and go seek or the part 2 slime video.
Bella, say like and subscribe and say bye.
Like a spill. Bye.